It looks like I'm fully naked, but I'm only half naked. Good morning. Say good morning, Marie Claire.
Good morning.
I have two people with me that want to say hello. These guys. I'm gonna try to show you guys a day in the life. It's 7:45. That's my day today, is I'm gonna fill these little carts with ingredients to make a recipe that I love. And I actually personally make my influencer gifts, and I just think that's the most adorable idea ever. The time is 2:57. Kids are asleep right now. The best part of any of this, they're asleep. And I'm so lucky, honestly, that Luna still does a nap. I know a lot of 4-year-olds out there are done napping, but we still pretend, and she still thinks that it's totally normal to nap. So I'm gonna take that as long as I can. Yai's got a noodle bar going on. You get to pick everything you want. It's tofu shirataki. I'm using a spinach shirataki. They have 0 carbs to 1 carb, but they're very noodle-like, and I like them. So when my little monsters wake up, we're gonna make cupcakes. My niece Pasha's here, my sister's daughter, and it's just so funny when they're together because Luna starts speaking so eloquently, and she really tries to keep up with her. Hey little dude, your sister's waking up. Hi Luna. Oh. Now we are starting our crafts time, which kind of lasts all day. John is watching Love Island. Another part of the day.
Cupcakes! Cupcakes! Cupcakes!
What are you guys making?
We're making cupcakes.
Are you gonna have sprinkles on there?
Okay, let me open mermaid first and unicorn. Luna, which one do you want? We're far from this step right now. So you want blue or red?
I think it's fun.
Going. Sound like Auntie Jen.
Tasha knows a lot about television. She's gonna be a television producer. There you go.
Beautiful.
Ow.
Ow. He does it. He does hit himself and say ow.